Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are diving into an incredible audio upgrade for your rooted Android device, the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision Magisk module. If you've been looking to drastically improve your device's audio output with true Dolby Surround equalizer effects, this module is built just for you. It ports full Dolby sound processing into a system-wide global audio effect, completely transforming how your music, movies, and games sound across headphones and built-in speakers. Before we jump into the setup, let us take a quick look at the files inside the File Manager and review what your device needs. To run this module successfully, your phone must have an ARMIABI V7A architecture or an ARM64 V8A build with ARMIABI V7A backward compatibility. You will also need a 32-bit HIDL audio service and any Android version running Android 4.2 Jelly Bean or higher. Most importantly, your device needs root access through Magisk, Kitsune Mask, KernelSU, or APatch. Make sure you have downloaded the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision zip file and saved it somewhere easily accessible in your internal storage. Now, let us open up the Magisk Manager to begin the flashing process. Head over to the Modules tab, tap on Install from Storage, and select the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision zip file. The installer will extract the files, set the necessary permissions, and integrate the Dolby Sound Engine into your system framework. Now, pay close attention to this next step. If you already have another audio modification or sound equalizer installed on your device, you must also install the Audio Modification Library, known as AML. In this setup, because I already have another Dolby mod present, flashing AML is essential so both mods can coexist smoothly without audio conflicts or boot issues. Simply select the AML zip file right after the Dolby module and flash it in Magisk as well. Once both modules show a successful flashing log, tap the blue Reboot button at the bottom right corner. We will let the phone complete a full reboot so the system can properly bind the audio services and register the new sound libraries. Now that the device has booted back up, you will find the Dolby Atmos app right on your home screen or app drawer. Opening it up gives you immediate access to a rich suite of audio enhancements. Here, you can switch between dedicated profiles for movie, music, game, and voice, or leave it on dynamic mode for automatic tuning. The built-in surround virtualizer widens the soundstage significantly, giving you a theater-like experience, while the intelligent equalizer lets you fine-tune frequencies to match your personal preference. Because this operates as a global audio effect, every media player and streaming service benefits instantly. That wraps up our setup and walkthrough of the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision module. If this improved your phone's sound quality, leave a like on the video, drop any questions down in the comments, and subscribe for more root tweaks and modules. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.